The helicopter sat motionless beneath the blazing morning sun, its polished body gleaming like a promise waiting to be fulfilled. Executives applauded, reporters gathered with cameras, and investors smiled proudly as they prepared for the aircraft's first public demonstration. But just moments before takeoff, the chief test pilot quietly removed his helmet, stepped back from the helicopter, and refused to climb inside. One after another, every certified pilot present made the same decision. Their reason left the entire crowd frozen in silence. The one man who truly knew whether the helicopter was safe had been denied his wages, humiliated, and forced off the project only days before. Without his signature, not a single pilot was willing to risk a life. The people who had mocked a struggling single father suddenly realized that integrity could never be replaced by money. Before this unforgettable story begins, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment telling us where you're watching from, share it with someone who still believes in kindness and second chances, and subscribe to HeartNest Tales. Every story we share reminds us that honesty, compassion, and perseverance still matter in today's world. Rowan Mercer had never dreamed of becoming famous. At 39, every safety concern would receive full technical review regardless of cost or deadlines. The board agreed immediately. Over the following years, Horizon transformed into one of the industry's most respected aviation companies. Young engineers learned that honesty mattered more than speed. Mechanics discovered they would always be supported when protecting human lives. Pilots flew with greater confidence because they trusted every inspection completed under Rowan's leadership. Kian watched his father become something even greater than a successful engineer. He became an example. One sunny afternoon, the very helicopter that nearly launched without proper repairs completed its 1,000th successful rescue mission. The aircraft landed safely after transporting an injured family from a remote mountain region. Watching from the airfield beside his father, Kian quietly realized that courage is not only found inside cockpits. Sometimes courage belongs to the person willing to stand alone and say, "This isn't safe," even when everyone else demands silence. The helicopter lifted gracefully into the bright blue sky once again, carrying hope instead of risk because one honest father refused to compromise his principles. If this story touched your heart, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below. Your support helps HeartNest Tales continue sharing inspiring stories that remind the world that integrity still matters. Before you go, please comment. Integrity always takes flight. As the afternoon sunlight reflected from the helicopter's spinning blades, Rowan smiled quietly beside his son. He understood that the greatest reward had never been the paycheck finally returned to him. It was knowing that countless families would arrive home safely because he chose truth over convenience. His journey proved that kindness may be overlooked, honesty may be challenged, and good people may sometimes be treated unfairly, but in the end, real character always rises above pride. And when lives depend on doing the right thing, integrity is worth far more than any amount of money.